Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Let's get into the Ninja Squad. Shout outs to start with. We have the lovely Gabriella and the beautiful Laura. Thank you so much guys for your lovely, wonderful comments. And if anyone wants to be featured in my next video, then you must leave a comment down below and then you have the chance to be featured. So the products I'll be using today are as follows. I'll be using Blizzard White, Powder Blue, which is an acrylic powder. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the 28-gram jar. I'll be using Super Gloss to top everything off. Mr. Snowman is a chunky loose glitter, absolutely to die for. I'll be using the micro crystals, or the kind of crystal micro beads. I'll be using the light blue Opal and the instant nail glue to add those to the nails. The dotting tools, which are a new product launching soon. The mini dust brush for removing excess dust. And I really wanted to share the new brush box that we have available. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful, I love it, and it stores up to 8 brushes, which I think is amazing. I can put all the detail brushes that I'm using at that specific time and a selection of acrylic brushes as well, so it's perfect for just general storage, or if you're a nail tech on the move, freelancing or mobile, just check it out. I'll leave the link down below. I'm also going to be using our new bling stick, which is our wax picker upper and placement mover abouter. So technical, I know. So the new products are launching on the 16th. The brush box is available now. But yeah, I am so excited for the new launch. We have acrylic powders, nail art, stickers, glitters, loads of stuff. I am just so excited. But this set today is a nice wintry kind of, you know, we're getting there kind of set. Winter is coming, the coldness is upon us. Also guys, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more content between my videos. So I'm starting off, I've already applied my pointed almond nail tips and I'm coming in with Blizzard White at the free edge and I'm blending that down nice and smooth. I'm then coming in with Powder Blue and I'm placing that exactly where the white finishes or starts, whichever way you want to look at it, and I'm just placing the bead there. I'm allowing it to set just for a second so that it can self-level, and then I'm gently tickling my brush over the nail and pulling that product down the nail, but with a very light hand. We don't want to drag that product off, we're just gently feathering it down. I'm then coming in with a cuticle bead, which is slightly smaller, and patting into place side to side, making sure to take care of that product. We don't want to get it on the skin, we don't want to flood the cuticles, we want to keep it nice and neat, and that's why we want to make sure our ratio is correct, because if it's not, you're going to kind of have issues with controlling that product. I decided I wanted it a little bit more white at the tip, so I just came in with a little bit more Blizzard White, nice wet bead of it, and then I'm just feathering back up the nail as I did the other way, but flipping my brush backwards and just pulling it up the nail over that blue. So moving on to the next nail, I'm going to come in and I'm starting off with a nice large bead of Powder Blue, and I'm just going to make sure I've got that nice and neat around the cuticle area and that that product is tucked in and flush. Making sure that your cuticle is nice and flush as well just really helps to maintain your enhancements. It makes sure that you are going to minimize that lifting and that everything is going to last really well. So it is very important that that does happen. If you're finding you're getting a lot of lifting, it may well be the fact that you're not sealing in that cuticle area very well. So I'm coming in now with Mr. Snowman. I've just chose some of the chunkier pieces out of there. I've just picked them up with my brush and some clear acrylic, and I'm just popping some bits on there. I've decided as well to add some of the white snowflakes, which I forgot to show you at the beginning, but I'll be sure to link them down below along with everything else. And I'm just choosing a few of the other pieces from the Mr. Snowman mix and just popping them on randomly where I felt like popping them on. I love playing with chunky glitters like that, you know, just picking individual little pieces and placing them exactly where I want. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next nail. For this one, I'm going to be doing a marble nail. I'm using powder blue and blizzard white. When you're doing a marble, you just want to make sure you take care of that cuticle area first. So you can see me here just placing that product down, making sure to tuck it in nice and neat. Again, as I stressed earlier, that cuticle area and sealing it, making sure it's nice and flush is very, very important. No matter what you're doing, whether you're doing design work or just using a core powder, try and focus on that and get that down. So I'm going to alternate the powder blue and blizzard white, and I'm using them super wet and just using the tip of my brush to swirl that product around. I'm going to do that until I've filled the entire nail, and that is how I create my marble with acrylic. Whilst that product is still wet, I'm going to come in with some of the Mr. Snowman loose glitter, and just using the bling stick, I'm coming in and just applying those pieces onto the nail. I do also come in with my brush as well and add some that way, just because I wanted some of the really finer pieces, and that would have took me quite a while to apply those individually. So next I'm moving on to this finger, and I'm going to go ahead and just place powder blue at the cuticle area and blend that down the nail. I'm just going to come in with a second bead just to make sure I've got the full coverage that I want and that we have the correct thickness as well. I will be coming in and capping all of these nails in a moment. I just wanted to let you know as well, guys, as I come in and cap all of these nails, that the practice hands are back in stock on my website, so I'll be sure to link those down below as well. We run out super quick. I think we've sold more than half of the stock already, and we've only had it in literally over the weekend. So if you're all looking to get one, then definitely try and get one as soon as possible because they go so fast. I'm just coming in with Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going ahead and capping all of those nails, making sure to build the strength and structure as well. So I filed and buffed off of camera, and now I'm going to come in with some crystal nail art and some gel nail art as well. I'm using the light blue Opal crystals. These are the flatbacks from my website, and they are super gorgeous and super affordable. So definitely check out our crystal range. Honestly, you will not regret it. They are gorgeous. We also will have an exciting bundle for Black Friday with our crystals and other things as well, so that's super exciting. I can't wait to share them and just for you guys to get your hands on them. So I'm coming straight in with the Instant Nail and Gem Glue, and I'm coming in with the why can't I speak? with the wax pencil bling stick, and I'm just placing the light blue opals on there, and then I'm sprinkling the micro crystals on as well. The glue had dried pretty quick this time round, so I'm just going to come in and add a little bit more and just sprinkle again and keep going back and forth with the glue and the crystals just until I was happy. I love how this nail turned out. It was so blingy in person. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to do my nails again and just get some bling on them, because I feel like I deserve a proper fancy crazy set. I think I just deserve it. I don't know why. I mean, why the heck not? I want bling. It's been forever. So I'm just coming back in with the wax bling stick and adding some more of those micro crystals towards the free edge. And next I'm coming in with a crystal cuff, which I absolutely love. I love creating these cuticle arrangements with the crystals. I think they look so classy and so elegant. So with the light blue opals, I'm choosing a larger for the center and then going out to smaller sizes on 2 on either side, and then I'm coming in with those micro crystals and filling the gaps between, as you can see, and then adding some at each end. And honestly, it looked absolutely glorious. It looks so sophisticated and so elegant. I love how it turned out. Imagine that on every nail. Like, yes please. So these are the new dotting tools, part of what we'll be releasing on the 16th of November, which is Monday, I think. Hopefully I've got that right. The 16th anyway, at 12 p.m. dinner time, UK. And I'm just using those to map out my snowflake nail design, and I find this the easiest way to do a snowflake. I add these dots, and because the gel polish is nice and thick, I'm using French white. I'm going to come in with my brush and just drag that polish outwards to create a nice delicate pointed edge to my snowflake, and then I'm going to connect all of the dots up and just make it super pretty and elegant and beautiful. I love how it turned out. Super gorgeous. Next, I'm coming in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat. After I've finished with my snowflake, I do cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds just to make sure that everything is nice and in place and secure. Then with the Super Gloss top coating everything, doing a full cure for 60 seconds in the Nailmate Pro lamp. Again guys, I will be sure to link those down below because I know so many of you are always interested in all the products that I use, and I do always do my best to list and link everything down below. Why do all these messages seem to come in as soon as I want to do a voiceover? I'm not redoing that. We're so near the end. We are so nearly there. Yeah, I love how this set turned out. Honestly, it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait for my next video as well, and hopefully you guys will comment down below so you can possibly be featured in my upcoming videos for the Ninja Squad shout out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. See ya!